Rome needs to restore order to Judea, so Emperor Nero appoints General Vespasian to crush the rebellion. Vespasian is well known in Rome as a successful military commander, but has fallen out of favor with Emperor Nero after falling asleep during one of his music recitals. Vespasian accepts the command, but refuses to lay siege to Jerusalem, fearing heavy casualties against the fortified city walls. Accompanied by his son Titus, Vespasian and his legions wage a war against the Jewish population outside of the city gates. They burn villages, kill all men of fighting age, and force women and children into slavery. In Rome, Emperor Nero commits suicide after being declared an enemy of the people. Vespasian is hailed emperor by the legions under his command, so he returns to Rome to claim the throne and instructs Titus to finish the war in Judea. The siege of Jerusalem has begun.